Sila gustong maging magmukhang magaling. Doon sila sa comfort zone nila. Kasi they want to look good. Without knowing, be able to look good, you need to look bad at first. Mga kaballers, meron pala akong isi-share sa inyo ngayon. Marami sa mga kabataan, nakikita ko, ito yung problema nila. Sila gustong maging magmukhang magaling. Pero, ina-avoid nila yung tough times or yung mahihirap na training. Ang mahirap kasi, they want to look good by making the easy stuff. Niromantasize nila yung madadaling bagay, yung madadaling training. Doon sila sa comfort zone nila. Kasi they want to look good. Without knowing na to be able to look good, you need to look bad at first. Baliktad kasi yung mga utak nila eh. Gusto nila magmukha silang magaling by doing the easy stuff. Hindi yung doing the hard stuff to be able to look good. Kaya ang mangyayari, nagiging soft sila. Bakit? Kasi easy times create soft people or weak people. But tough times create tough people. Ganun lang naman yung principle eh. Kaya ang nangyayari, marami yung mga batang hindi magaling pero sobrang tataas ng confidence. Naakala nila magagaling na sila kasi yung training nila madadali lang o ayaw nilang nahihirapan. Pero pagdating na ng liga, yung mga nangingibabaw, yung mga teams or yung players na galing sa hirap, they look bad sa training talaga. Pero when it comes game time na, boom, yung difference, it shows talaga. Ayun guys, yung nakikita ko na problem talaga ng mga kabataan ngayon. They want the easy stuff. Ewan ko bakit baliktad yung utak nila, no? They want to do the easy stuff to be able to look good without knowing that to be able to look good, you need to do the hard stuff.